Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. And we are back with advancing our current unassemblize efforts. Now, there's still one more thing to do, right? We want to run this function and this one. When we click the button, process leftover named aged functions. Okay, yeah, comparison descriptor. Process. Descriptor. Process. So let's put a bookmark here. So there is a function where we toggle this right here. So checkbox. So this checkbox returns true when pressed. Right. When pressed. Checked. Yeah, okay. So we need to... I think we need to create another two functions for this here. Process left. Comparison descriptor. File. Process. Comparison descriptor. Yeah. Okay, so what I think we do is we create two new functions here. Two new functions. We make a process all leftover named functions. And there we pass the descriptor and the descriptor. Hold on. Here we pass file comparison. Yeah, we pass the descriptor on both. There we go. Then we put this here. And I think it can be const, no? Hold on. Let me see. Also, I think it can be static. Okay, let me So in here we do this one, descriptor, there we go, descriptor and descriptor, there we go. All right, and that somehow doesn't work because it's not part of this. There we go, there we go. All right, so, and then here we do this, put this here, and descriptor, descriptor, descriptor there, and descriptor there. There we go. Hold on, this is the wrong. Put this one here, and this. There we go. All right. Okay. Then we call these guys here comparison descriptor. There we go. And this one, there we go. And then we would remove these guys. And this one we need to dereference. There we go. And then we move these two functions down to here, below this one. There we go. Process. Maybe we shouldn't have this condition in here. Maybe the condition should be outside. Yeah. Oops. So I got this one and this one. Yeah, let's remove this from here. I think it shouldn't have this condition. Okay, so where we call this, and then we put this condition here and here. There we go. All right. Let me say this. There we go. Add comparisons. Okay, so let's quickly think about the constants here. So this function is const. Descriptor get items per second. This one is not const. Somehow I cannot jump there. it's not const. Yeah, this one is stateful. No, I don't think it can be static either, because this one is accessing a work queue. Yeah. No, it can't be. Yeah, it can't be static or const. Yeah. Okay, and then we have our button. So we have these two. Let's make a copy of these and let's get to our buttons, which are somewhere. Where are the buttons? What are the buttons called? Compare. Compare. There we go. No? Why is this not here? There, compare. Good, and let me say, so if checkbox, then we do something. If checkbox, there we go. And then in here we put this one, and in here we put this one, and then we put the descriptor here. There we go. And here. There we go. All right, then we have here, pass this one here, and this one. By the way, we need to the style should not be applied afterwards. Should we maybe put this in another function? Files, actions. Maybe. I wonder if we should move these. Should move these functions here closer to these guys. I mean, process left over. Maybe we should also rename this to async. Async. Because at the end of the day, it goes down into async call, right? So maybe we should just name it accordingly, which makes the function name extra long, but yeah, I mean, the function names are long enough, long already, so might as well just make them a little bit longer. It doesn't hurt. Async. Good. Let's remove these comments here, and then we move these guys up here. Yeah. Then so you have a so many async. So make here async functions. And async functions begin synchronous maybe this should be moved into a new class. It's quite a lot of stuff. Okay, then let's take those functions, clean them up, and move them to the bottom of this one. There we go. All right, so asynchronous. Okay. Good. Before we delete this, let's test. Yeah. Can this be const? No, can't be. Okay. Good. Yeah. This is quite a bit of logic, but it seems to work. Good. Let's compile this and see if it works. Yeah. All right. All right, so basically we compare now here, yeah, and then we now check this box, and that does successfully match. Nice. And now we click this one, and that loads all the unmatched ones. That's nice. Yeah. Cool. Cool. So now we have, now we can load everything in one go, or we can have it on demand when we click here some function in the list or select multiple, then it also loads. I would say it's pretty versatile. I think we over-engineered it a little bit, given that it's actually not that expensive, but maybe in the future, the more like right now, our sample size is really small, right? So I would imagine that in the future, that if there's more substance in here in the Thyme.exe and PDB, then this could become longer, right? And then it would be nice to have on-demand loading. Okay, this looks pretty good. So if we now load again, new revision, and then we compare again, then this should now reload everything. Yeah. There you go. Very nice. Let's load all again. Okay, cool. That seems to work very well. Good. Then let's see if we can clean up. So let's search if there are any leftover of these. No. Good. Then let's delete this stuff here. Yeah. And good. So here we move the build bundle flags to ASM matcher types, which is here. Yeah. And then we saved it in here. Yeah. Okay, so schedule the next optional commands. Yeah. Let's search for this real quick here. There we go. Okay, we delete this stuff here. There we go. Process all leftover named and matched functions async. Process all leftover named functions async. Yeah. Init. What does this init do? This init will init both files and does some resizing, update bundle UI infos. Yeah. Prepare rebuild. Did we forget anything in here? Let me see. Oh yeah, we forgot something in here. This one. Util free container. This one. Let's see what else. Selected name function indices. Active. See here. Selected bundles. Is there. Single bundle build. Is there. Source file bundles builds. False. Yeah. Single bundle UI info. Single bundle. Okay. Single bundle. Revision descriptor. Function indices filter. Async work state. That one is not touched. Async work state. What is this? Is this it's how big is this? Can't see it here. Not hits async work. Yeah, okay. Functions list options is not reset on repels. Prepare rebuilds. Let me see if we missed something here. Selected, processed, matched functions, build false. It's not reset on rebuilds. Selected functions and pages. It's not rebuild. UI options. It's not reset on rebuilds. Build states. About let's stop debugging for a minute. This work state is 32 bytes alignment. How about we move it? Let me see. Let's move it here. It's put here marker. UI options. UI not reset on rebuilds. UI contents state is not reset on, is reset on rebuilds. Okay, then we can remove all these here. Then let's do the same here. UI options is not reset on rebuild. Select functions and pages. UI content state is reset on rebuild. I think we also have a revision descriptor where we rebuild. No, we don't. We have async work state. Okay, so we didn't end up using this function, so we can also remove that. Yeah. Then we can remove this. All right, good. All right, let's see if that compiles. Yeah, okay, good. So next, let's start with something simpler first. Selected file index in list box. UI options is not reset on rebuilds. UI content state is reset on rebuilds. Maybe UI options, UI, maybe we call it build content, build contents. Build contents. All right. Then let's move on. Let's see. How does this file currently look like? Yeah. 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 I think that's fine. We would save some space if we move this down here, but they don't belong together. That's okay. Good. So got a bunch of stuff here. Wow. Yeah. Right. Okay. By the way, where's the ID? Doesn't have ID. Yeah. Maybe the async work state should be moved above the UI options. Would that be fair? Yeah, maybe we move it up here. Okay. So we added these functions here. Oh, this one shouldn't be here. That somehow ended up here by mistake. This one. Yeah. So this one and links to matched functions. Yeah. Then we have here matched function indices sides. UI options is not reset. Yeah. Build contents is reset. Yeah. All right. So runner, we change a bunch of this stuff here. Yeah. Bundle flags. Then we assign the flags here and the flags there. Yeah. Okay, selected, unmatched, named function indices. We reset this, yeah. Span, get matched function indices. Span, span, asserts. Span, asserts, size equals size, yeah. Get matched named function indices for processing. Matched function indices side. Yeah. Okay, this looks good. All right, begin asynchronous functions and asynchronous functions. Did we actually spell this correctly? There. Seems like so. It's a little bit much functions in here. Oof. But at least they are laid out with a system, right? Yeah. This function here, maybe this one should be moved somewhere else. Yeah. This function here. Where do you use it? Maybe we should move it somewhere here. Yeah. Remove for add file. Yeah. Get program file descriptor, program file index. Yeah, let's take this guy and move it here. Maybe we rename this to index. Or index. Index. Sometimes we use edx and sometimes index. Let's use index here as well then. Good. Then we can also say here begin command functions. End command functions. Yeah, maybe this class needs a bit of breaking, but that's another story. Yeah, okay. So we have this. Here we can make a change. This is built. Build bundle flags. There we go. All right, so we take this, begin command functions, move some spaces, process leftover named and matched functions async. All right, ta-da, and index, okay. Good, so here build single bundle flags. Yeah, okay. Get program file descriptor. Yeah, we move that. Schedule the next optional commands. Yeah. Maybe not schedule. Maybe queue. Queue the next optional commands. There we go. All right, so name function, blah, 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 okay. Okay. All right, process leftover names, blah, blah, da-da, da, get items for processing is not empty. Then do that, yeah. Leftover named functions async, leftover named functions indices, leftover. Leftover named functions async, descriptor. So index, yeah. Get program, yeah. All right, yeah, simplified, yeah. Same line. Right, there we are not done yet. Hold on. So here, I think this should be save it. files actions, files list. I think there's also a if we call this hold on. Ah, doesn't this mean we would hit this assert if we would toggle this option when we have not compared yet? Let me check this really quick. I think we will hit an assert here. That doesn't seem right. So if we toggle this now, yeah. Yeah. About. So we need to say if that and descriptor dot I need some water. Okay, we need to say descriptor if bundles are built, right? If no, yeah, no, wait, yeah, if bundles built, if bundles ready, process on left. And bundles ready. Like that. Bundles ready. Counts. Bundles ready. Count. Let's make this index T. Bundles ready. Also, there we go. Also, if we have a invalid file, it shouldn't now hide this, right? So that's also a bug because of this here. Files actions. files, actions. When we load files, we can't click anything here, right? Yeah. When we load, oh shit. Can't click anything here either. All right. Okay. I would say we create a new function. Actions. Let's call it files compare and process. Compare button process checkbox. So I would say we put this guy file descriptor 0. Program what if we remove all these things? Oh, then the compare button is gone. Okay. Now that is unexpected. Okay, we need to copy this guy. And we put it in here. And we give it no, we don't. We take these here as well. Put that here. So we say file descriptor and this or this and this and this or this. Yeah. Can load or exe loaded. Yeah. If not can compare, yeah, then we cannot click. Okay, this way the the compare button is never gone. Yeah. All right. Then next we take this here, this stuff. I put that in here. All right, so same line, same line, same line. Let's call this process functions checkbox. All right. There we go. All right, so, and then let's comment all this out. And then we put a call to the compare button, descriptor, and then make a call to this one here, checkbox. And in between there should be a same line. There we go. I think this will replace it all. And now the checkboxes should, all these things should always be visible, and the checkboxes should not be disabled if the compare button is disabled. They are independent. Yeah. Let's see. All right, so you can click here, yeah, as we want. We can press compare. Now, if we remove here these things, then we can still click here, but we cannot press the compare button. Yeah. Okay, let's restart again. Good. So now if we press compare, then it compares. Yeah. And if we press here now, then it matches and compares. Yeah. And that has worked. We can show the matched functions here. That looks good. And then if we press this, then it will process the matched functions. Cool. That seems to work. Pages work. Yeah. Okay, let's do one more. Let's reload, load. Yeah. And then we do compare. And now it will reload and recompare immediately. Very nice. Okay, it seems like things work. No mistakes. Okay, let's remove all this here. All right, cool. No one said it would be easy. Good, so it's quite a big change. So implement. All right, can compare. Let's double check that there's no null dereference, but it looks good. It should not be able to go here if it's disabled, right? Yeah. So in here, oops. In here we also have asserts, right? Yeah. Asserts. We can also how about we also put an assert here for this is not null pointer. This neither. Yeah. You can also say assert comparison descriptor, not null pointer. Even though it's kind of silly, but doesn't hurt, I guess. Oops. All right. All right. All right. All right. Compare button, process functions checkbox. All right. We got everything. Let's do one more test. Yeah. One more test. All right. So let's check these guys, compare. And there voila. Okay. I can also use arrow keys. Okay, cool. Then let's submit this. This is a huge change, actually. Even though we just added 2 checkboxes, but that led to quite an outrageous amount of changes. As always. Yeah, but I think that's good. Oh, it's not that much. It looks bigger than it really is. Yeah, good. Add checkboxes. Add checkboxes to process matched and unmatched functions immediately on compare. By the way, did we write immediately correctly in code? Where did we put it? Immediately. Yeah. Add checkboxes to process matched and unmatched functions immediately on compare. On initial compare. Yeah. Add checkboxes to process matched and unmatched functions immediately on initial compare. Okay, cool. Then let's push that as well. Okay, let's also take let's take an image of this thing. Paint. Da, 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 da. Maybe we should rename it to process all matched functions. Process all unmatched functions. Maybe. Maybe not. 13. All right, let's put a status update. Pushed latest to branch. There are now 2 checkboxes to allow process matched and unmatched functions immediately upon immediately after initial compare. So functions are not processed on demand. Functions are not otherwise functions are processed on demand as before. To kick off. There are now 2 checkboxes to kick off processing of matched and unmatched functions immediately after initial compare. Otherwise, functions are processed on demand as usual. All right, let's see what spam is here. Bro ignored me. Well, right, good. Yeah, then I will take a break here. I think that was a good session. No, got this done. Okay, so what do we do? What do we know next session? Maybe we do the coloring in the assembler tables, yeah, or something else. I mean, we still have plenty of to-dos. This one also needs fixing, yeah. Maybe we do this next, actually. It's like a glitch, yeah. Yeah, so either the color or this fix here, which I don't have idea, but I don't want to think about it now. Yeah, okay. We certainly have things to do. Good, then, yeah, that will be it. And I wish you a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.